The granite people are putting in the granite top. The company that this homeowner hired, I don't use because I've had problems with their work before. And here's some of the things that I don't like about it. I think there's no excuse for that to not match up if this was fabricated in the shop. I don't like that corner. I don't really like their seam work. Their seam work's rough and missing. Needs to have quite a bit of work done to it. And these edges, and they don't look very good. And they're having a hard time making stuff match up the way it should. So I'm not very impressed with these guys, but I didn't hire them. The homeowner did. Some of their workmanship, you can see right here, there's a lip. Doesn't look very good, needs to be buffed out. So hopefully they'll be able to fix this. Doesn't look good to me though. Anyway, I'll come back after they're done. We'll see how we like it.